That was a mechanical pump there, I guess. I think this is all going about a 40s or 50s, somewhere in the neighborhood. Yeah, this must have been the base for the windmill. Right over top the pump. Oh, there's the cellar. That must be the real cellar. Huh. Crazy, huh? Goes down in there. There's that. A lot of bricks here, I guess. Put the detector down and my ears were buzzing. So much modern stuff from that other site right over here, the chicken house site. Oh shoot, I thought I was in the house earlier. I guess I was not. And some big old bricks too. Some concrete. Porch. Huh. It's got them oyster shells all in it. Well, there's a cellar hole for you. There's the old sink. Great good sized home, but it looks like somebody rode around here and dug everything up with a tractor. I swear everything's up piled or pushed up. Yeah, there wasn't no way I weren't going to climb up on this, I guess. Safety or not. Yeah, don't do this at home. Unless you got one of these at home, then I'd say go with it. Huh. Well, that's a roll lock. That's weird on top of a double wall. I'm not sure about the age of this. Yeah, I found some of those things right there before. Look at them. I mean, they were busted you at 99 on most detectors, or 40 on the Knox. Some glass right down there. I'll check that out. A bottle or something. Some broken bottles down there. I don't know if there's any need getting down that hole. I see metal everywhere. Let me tell you something. That's where I come through. I've been all the way back to where's that? Right, this tree right back here. That one right there. That's where I made the turn. Oops, sorry about that. I started heading down along this river. There's my goodies right there. Not one of these monster trees growing up out of this. This stuff here will eat you up if you cut it. Oh look, I ran well. Well, this is just becoming exploratory video instead of a metal detecting video. Some glass. Like somebody been in the. Ooh, nice little hiding spot. Dare we? What's in there? Is it cheap? Yeah, how you gonna do that? Coon drop out there, I'll be done. Be in this hole. Oh my goodness. That is a deep hole. I don't know if the lights would help. Shoot, it's 15, 20 feet. You see some water seeping in right there. Man, that's something. Who did that? Who got down there? He didn't have no level either. I mean, he was cricket on that joker. Very neat. It's made it this long. What's that? Right there. Let me turn this off. So stick around. We're going to do this little adventure real quick. There's some like block wall over there. That was something that was added on. It's like the stove is right there. Let me see if I think that's the stove. One of them old metal arms. That could be a stove of some nature, I'm not sure. See anything over there? The size of that tree. That's a big one. This would have been good to have my gimbal. We could have free floated you a little bit around here, so it's not so bad. That's what I was looking for. See it right there. I'm gonna zoom in. There, that brick. That's glaze. There's glazed bricks mixed in through here. No doubt that's a beautiful handmade brick right there. Let me zip on it. Bam. Homemade brick. These are some big. I'd love to have these. Shoot. Well, I don't think there's much else. There's something over there. What is that? Oh, it's a barrel. Well, I really don't want to detect down there. But look, see how it's all piled up? I just pushed it all in a pile. Now that's a finding much here is going to be pretty slim, I think. But I'll give her a shot. There's a big one. That is a Mondo brick, boy. He laid him all down. You're going to be sore. Won't be hard getting them set up, though. I did. You use water. There's one of those bricks there. So I guess it is 1700s. That's what the owner said. Well, yeah, I'm seeing them now. They just, all right now, these things have torn me up these briars. Circle. Yeah. There it is. You'd like to have them for your house. Put them on your sidewalk. They're pretty. Alright. That's it for that little ramble on. Windmill sink. It's a cool sink though. Some jars and junk. I'm gonna piddle around here. I'm gonna hit the field. I know there's some old stuff out there. I found a few goodies.